Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to create a simple menu. I call this as a minimalist menu because this is really a simple and it's just like a web design. So no further intro, let's start. So let's click this create menu and then let's go to form groups and then let us select this navigation. And there are lots of styles, but I'll choose this one, horizontal tabs. The menu is in the top. Okay, click this, then close that one and also this one. So to give some space. So sample button, we have a employee. Next is asset, like asset transfer. Next is asset list. Next is reports. Next is settings. I think backup database. Okay, this one. We can adjust this, guys. We can adjust the button. Okay. So now let's try. Okay, this is the format. And then let's set to, and then for the format, no, that's correct. This one, neither. Okay. And then I have to put some space. Okay, put it in the center. Okay. And then let us rename this to like software solution. And then bold, color white, and then the color of this, the back color is this one. And then let's try. So this is the result, and let's make it maximize to see the whole background. So let's go to event, then on load. This is a one line code, guys, the maximize. Do cmd.maximize. Okay, close. And then let's try to open. Okay, it's maximized, and then this is the format at the top. So for this button below, let us highlight all. Let us drag this. Wait, it's not being dragged. Okay, this one. So let's try again. Okay, this one, guys. So employee, asset transfer. The reports, this is automatic because there are forms that the name is the same with this spelling reports. Settings, backup. So for the current user and also the icons, let us go to the design view and also let us add a button, guys. Delete. And then the format, make it a circle. If you have not watched my video about inserting a icon for the current user, you can watch my video, or you can also watch this. Okay, we can put color like white, and then let's go to format. Let us add some icon, browse, select icon to view. So I'll find this one. Okay, so this is it, and then I have to select transparent, and the border style also transparent. Okay, put it in that area. So now let us go to form view. Here we go guys, but as you can see, the icon is in the center, not in the right portion. So in that case, we have to use the anchoring. Right click, anchoring, and then select this one, top right, so that when the form is on load or open, so automatically, just like this, so it's placed in the right corner. So now let us add a text box for the name of the current user. Okay, for the format, okay, the color white, and then let's go to the border style of the text box. This is transparent and also transparent. Here we go. Let's check. There's no data. So if you have not watched my video about creating a login form, so it's part of this video, so you can watch it also. But for the meantime, I have to put a simple data using the computer username. So here, I put okay, this one, text 20 current user. So remember this name, me that current user is equals to environ username. This is the computer username. Okay, so let's try user, this one. This is the name of my computer. Okay, user design view. So let's also put it in the right position, anchoring top right, and then we have to lock. So in order to lock, click this enabled no, lock yes. Here we go guys, this one. So let's proceed below this one. Okay, can highlight and then home, let us choose this color, and then for the color, font color, this color is white, bold. Okay, and here we go, this is the result. But as you can see, there's no highlight color or hover color. If we point this, no color. So let us apply the hover color guys. So how to do that? So highlight this, then uncheck the add new and also the square. Okay, this one, and then you will see here a hover color. My hover color will be I'll choose this one. Okay, and then the color of fonts when we point, okay, this color, violet or blue. Let's try. Okay, so it's working guys. And then if we press no press color, so let us insert a press color guys. So the same procedure. So a while ago we choose this hover color, but now we have to choose this for press color. So the press color will be like this, much more darker, and then the color would be, the press for color would be the black. I like black. So let's try. So employee, asset, but the problem is, as you can see, employee asset transfer and asset list is also colored yellow. But if we point, so the color is has been changed. So we have to add another function, guys, for active control. Actually, the original code for the active controls for the hover color is very what we call this one, we can consider it's very massive code, but I made this very simple, guys, just only one code for the active controls. So highlight or click, but before that, click this this one, the square, and then the name of the square is navigation control 0. Copy paste, copy, and then let's go to or create or check anywhere, and then click event, on click code builder. Okay, so now for the private sub, let's type function. Let's change the sub to function, private function, and then let us change this to hover. Something like this, and then me that data query. So this only one code, guys, and then copy paste the hover button, this name, close, and then let's select, and then here on click, let's type equals and then paste. Now let's try employee. Okay, asset transfer, asset list, reports, settings. So it's really working, guys. So no more colors, unnecessary colors. Before that, I have to set also format. Okay, this one. And we can also insert, guys, a welcome page. Welcome page, but we will hide the name. So since this is a welcome page, the first page to open, so we will put this in the first place. So let's try. Okay, this one, and in sample data. Okay, target, it's in the sample. Okay, this one, sample. Now let us open. Okay, so this is the first form to open, guys. So since this is a first since this is a welcome page or a landing page, we will hide this. We can select to no, and then to give some space for the employee. Okay, that one. Then here we go. This is the result. Now let us add, or guys, if you want to delete this color below, you can just right click and then delete out, remove layout. Okay, no more. And then let us add a form to finalize this tutorial. So data, employee, let us check employee list, and then for this asset transfer, copy of asset transfer, this one. Okay, asset list. Okay, so this only 3. So here we go, but I have to align this. Okay, and here you go, guys. So employee, when we click this, okay, so this is the result, and then asset transfer, reports, backup. But by the way, the logout here was not visible. So I will add you. It's not a problem. Okay, log out. format is this. Anchoring, top right, and then the hover color is red. Okay, and then tab. Okay, with the border style is transparent. Okay, let's check. Okay, this one, guys. Employee transfer. Like this to none. And here we go, guys. So this is it. So clean as like a website. So that's all. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Access, and also if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, then guys, please consider subscribing this channel for more informative videos. And if you have some questions about this, feel free to comment below, and I will try my best to answer that. That's all, guys. Thank you, and see you to my next video.